What up, y'all? It's your girl Talia Janae, and welcome back to my channel. If you are a newbie, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Y'all, look at Maddie. It's precious. So, y'all just saw the living room. It is a hot mess. And then I'm going in the kitchen, and just don't even judge me. This should be like a judgment-free zone. Because, yes, it's the day after Thanksgiving, and that is the food still on the table. I was so tired. So I had a load running in the dishwasher, and those dishes are actually the dishes that I cooked in for Thanksgiving. So that's going, and then I'm gonna have a whole nother load that I have to put in there. But how did y'all do Thanksgiving this year? Because it was just us four, and I cooked all the food, and it was good though. We had a bunch of fun. We really actually didn't do anything but eat that day. Like that was it. Y'all look at that mess. So here I am looking like somebody mama. This is why I can't do voiceovers because I have no sense whatsoever. But I literally got that blanket from Walmart, excuse me, Kroger, and it was like $3 and some change. And I just really like the cute little red poinsettias on there, so I went ahead and I picked that up the other day. But y'all, I just already look defeated, and I'm just throwing the toys. So I'm new to doing these voiceovers, and I do talk a lot just in general. So if you're like, girl, you talk entirely way too much, like, can we just get into the video? I apologize. But hey, that's me. So off camera, I did clean the whole table. I thought I was recording and I never pressed record, so I did clean the rest of the table, not just that small portion. I felt like it took me forever to get those dishes done. Like, I was struggling, y'all, the whole video, if we just gonna be honest. That's why it took me like 2.5 days, okay, 2 days to film this. Especially like when you film and clean, it literally takes you double the amount of time. And that is not the spray I'm supposed to be using on my countertops. I have marble and I actually have a cleaner. I forget what it's called, but this ain't the one I'm supposed to be using on my countertops. while I'm putting up Maddie's hair and unwinding this vacuum, because no, I do not have a cordless vacuum. I really want the Dyson, but I'm just not doing that price tag right now. Not like almost freaking $600. But I just wanted to encourage you to clean something in your house. That's the whole point of this video. I'm showing you that, it took me 2 days to do this, y'all. But I got it done. And I felt so good afterwards. So I just hope I'm an inspiration, motivation, anything to get you to, take back your home and be in charge of your household. Yes, I have swapped vacuums. So this smaller vacuum I use on the bare floor. I do have a bare floor category on my other vacuum, but it is so loud on the floor. If it's not like a rug, if it's the bare floor, it is extremely loud. And I don't know why that is. So I just use this little vacuum for the laminate flooring in like the hallway, kitchen, living room, and in the bathroom. Let me show y'all Maddox's area. Like, what? Literally, and Micah sits right beside him in this chair. And Maddox's high chair sits right here. Come on. A mess. That's a huge mess. And then at the island, I'm like, what y'all be spilling? Micah sits here and Jonathan sits here. Or I'll sit here, but this is like Jonathan's permanent spot. Yep. Gotta vacuum all that up. thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe to your girl's channel because I'm coming through with the videos. But y'all have a great rest of your day. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.